Are you tired of using Facebook and other social media and running out of time, content and patience because you don't get the response and engagement you need for real growth and profit on your terms? It's likely you've gone on social media and seen some of your top competitors getting incredible response from their efforts. You already know that your potential customers can be found there. What will happen if your competitors continue to use social media successfully while you flounder because of your frustrations? Inferior brands undercut you and outsell you because of their social engagement. Lies get passed about your company's products and services that you get no way to respond to. You do not have time to handle your customer inquiries on social media because it feels overwhelming? Ultimately, your brand and you get smeared or left behind online when there are ways to make it stop. Without gaining an engaging foothold for your business in social media, your problems will only grow. Running a social media strategy can easily get overwhelming, but there is so much conflicting information out there about how to use the platforms and what is most effective today. Then when you choose one, it seems you find even more overwhelming information on that one social channel. It's real nightmare. That is why we created social media automation. To eliminate the problem of getting bad reviews because you are not answering your customers. It handles all your frequently asked questions, pre-qualifies your customers, builds your list. It does not get tired or ask for sick leave. It does not ask for a pay rise and works hours, 365 days a year. What you get with our social media automation packages: an automated system that will handle all your customer care issues, ability to answer all frequently asked questions without lifting a finger, and grow client base on automation. Look at this example here. When Palm Care Sinai Hospital adopted this automated system, they have been able to handle over 95% of customer care issues. Research has shown that when you do not respond to your customers within 30 minutes of them messaging you, they take it as though you do not care about them. They move on to the next available business, and that is revenue you have lost. It does not have to be that way. Social media automation will take care of all that for you. As part of Fast Action bonus for you, you get a free marketing audit from our top consultants so that you know where you need to improve. There are no binding contracts, so you will have nothing to lose. Our prices will also not break the bank. To automate your marketing, reach back or call us for more details.